Welcome to Joy Property Guide. Today we are taking you through one of the most prominent project situated on Kona Expressway. Name of the property is Joy Village. This is the actual vicinity or the society view of the mega township. Basically, they had purchased a land bank from KWIC out of 300 acre. They have 30 acre with them. KWIC has developed a villa community and they are developing high-rise premium township. Though that's a premium township in terms of whatever amenities they are providing, that is a class apart, but the pricing is of a affordable segment. This is the marketing office. From here, I'll take you to the clubhouse and nearby area. These are all actual construction update. So, without wasting the time, I'm giving you a little brief of the whole township. Basically, on 30 acre of land, only 30 towers are there, and out of 30 tower, 4 towers are ready. People are already shifted to that place. There is another one tower which has not been ready yet. It will be delivered in next 3 months of time. It would have been delivered if COVID was not there. So on a 30 acre of society, they had given a clubhouse of 22,500 square feet, which is huge actually. You name any prominent amenities. You give it any prominent amenities in this society, like your swimming pool, Olympic size swimming pool, your community hall, banquet hall, gymnasium, guest house, yoga hall, athletic, swimming pool. This is what I was telling you. Badminton court, volleyball court, tennis court, cricket pitch, and the most important part, it has a cricket ground of somewhere between 1 acre of land, which is rare in whole Kolkata. Even in main Kolkata, you will not find this thing. Apart from it, it has reading room, library, cafe, sitting lounge, indoor game, and for kids room. Main thing is that people do love games, but they are always fond in playing mobile games because they were not getting such kind of benefit. But in this clubhouse, you will find this benefit as well. And football ground separately, amphitheater, and senior citizen park. This is something new they have added. Eco park, woodland park, commercial sections, and most important is guest room. Guest room generally prominent developers do give, but this counts to be somewhere between 1 or 2 room. But if you look at this project, in 30 acre of land, they have almost 5 room, and this is a luxurious room they have provided with a very nominal cost. And in this township in front, there will be a commercial sections where some of the most hypermarket is coming. So it will be functional very soon. Construction will commence in next 6 months of time, and by the time all people will move into that place, all facilities will be near present on that time. Now we are entering into the clubhouse, which I was talking about. The moment you enter, on left hand side you have your creche, newborn baby or baby of 2 years or 2 years, 3 years. They would love to play in this place, and at the same time they will learn. That's the idea. And there will be a person who will take care of your children. Your jacuzzi, your sauna room, your coffee table, lounge area, all are in this place. This is the coffee house. You can have a good time on that place. You need not to go outside, take your car. You can have all the luxury benefits here only. This is the outside view. Almost 85% of the total land is open or green area. Coffee table. Here are the corridor. আস্তে আস্তে
চারটে গেস্ট হাউস এদিকে আছে
And it has
আমি টিভি দেখেছি,
two
জানি।
floors apart
হ্যাঁ
from
দেখেছি,
it.
আগের বারে ভুল করেছি।
You can take a
হ্যাঁ,
lift
আগেরবার
or you
ভুল
can
করে
take a
ফেলেছি।
stairs.
এটা কি? অফিস অফিস, ঠিক আছে।
This is your office space which you can use if it is in need. You know, sometimes you need not to go to a hotel, 5-star hotel or somewhere, and you need not to pay any hefty amount for that thing. Very nominal charges will be levied on it, and you can use it. This is your lounge, 5-star rated lounge they have created. Amazing construction and amazingly crafted, designed. See? And it's double height. Now we are going ahead. Here is your banquet hall. You have a marriage in your family or in your house. You need not to go outside. You can enjoy all the luxury and all facilities here only by paying a very small amount. If you go to book such kind of banquet hall, you may have to pay almost ₹1,00,000 outside. Now we are going on the first floor through stairs. Here you go. It is taking a little time, but you know, all the thing that I am showing it to you is actual, and you should have a feel, you know, whatever they are delivering. You can get to see from your home comfort only through your phone only. Now coming the games room. Online games your child can play here. These are all your guest room. This is their washroom,
Guest room.
a fully fitted guest room, and it has beautiful view from here as well. You know, that would be properly maintained as park. All rooms are like this only. See, all furnitures, all fittings are already done, so it is ready. Now we are heading for library. Here it is. You can enjoy a book here
Library.
in air conditioned room. This is what your reception. Now
Gym.
on left hand side you have your gym. All equipments are in place, and outside you can do your freehand exercise. Open gym you can also do, because sometimes people don't like to work in air conditioned atmosphere. You can also do meditations over there, yoga, all sorts of things can be done, and from here you can have a wonderful view of outside. Now we are coming to the indoor game section. In this video it may look a little small, but trust me, it is one of the most prominent clubhouse which is present in whole Kolkata. We deal with almost all residentials and commercial property of Kolkata, Noida, Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, Faridabad. If you need any assistance or you need any kind of details, do WhatsApp